Hello guys, my name is Saeed Ahmed and you are watching my YouTube channel Knowledge with Ibrahim. Today my topic is SpaceX rocket sends first global water survey mission into orbit. Data will be used to enhance ocean circulation models, bolster climate forecast and aid in managing fresh supply. A SpaceX rocket blasted off early on Friday carrying a US-French satellite designed to conduct an unprecedented global survey of Earth's surface water. A mission expected to shed new light on the mechanics and consequences of climate changes. The Falcon 9 booster, owned and operated by Elon Musk's commercial rocket company, lit up the predawn sky along California's coast as it rolled off its launch pad at the Vandenberg US Space Force Base, about 160 miles northwest of Los Angeles. The liftoff, directed by NASA, was shown live on US Space Agency webcast. The Falcon 9's upper stage, carrying the satellite, reached orbit within 9 moments earlier. The reusable lower stage separated from the rocket and flew itself back to Earth, unleashing sonic booms before slowing to a gentle landing at the base. The mission payload, the Surface Water and Ocean Topography Satellite or SWOT, was released to its own starting orbit about 530 miles above the planet less than an hour after launch. Video from a camera mounted on the rocket's upper stage showed SWOT floating away. About a half hour later, mission control for the French Space Agency SNES in Toulouse, France, reported it had recovered the first full set of signal from the satellite, confirming that SWOT systems were operational. NASA said the centerpiece of the satellite is advanced microwave radar technology to collect high-definition measurement of oceans, lakes, reservoirs, and rivers over 90% of the globe. The data, compiled from radar sweeps at least twice every 21 days, will be used to enhance ocean circulation models, bolster weather and climate forecast, and aid in managing freshwater supplies in drought-stricken regions, researchers say. Components of the SUV-sized satellite were built primarily by NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory near Los Angeles and SNES, nearly 20 years in development with contribution from counterparts in Canada and Britain. SWOT was one of 15 missions listed by the National Research Council as project NASA should undertake in the coming decade. One major thrust of mission is to explore how ocean absorb atmospheric heat and carbon dioxide, in a process that naturally regulates global temperature and has helped to minimize climate change. Oceans have absorbed more than 90% of the excess heat trapped in Earth's atmosphere by human-caused greenhouse gas emission. Scientists estimate scanning the seas from orbit, SWOT will be able to find differences in surface elevations around the smaller currents and eddies where much the ocean's drawdown of heat and carbon is believed to occur. Understanding that mechanism will help answer a pivotal question: what is the tipping point at which oceans start releasing, rather than absorbing, large amount of heat back to the atmosphere, thus intensifying global warming instead of limiting it? SWOT's ability to discern for smaller surface features over much wide areas than previous satellite also will help study the impacts of rising ocean level on coastal areas. Freshwater bodies are another key focus of SWOT, equipped to absorb the entire length of nearly all rivers wider than 330 feet, as well as more than 1 million lakes and reservoirs larger than a few New York City blocks. Taking inventory of Earth's water resources repeatedly, our SWOT's 3-year mission will enable researchers to better trace fluctuation in the planet's rivers and lakes during seasonal changes and major weather events. SWOT's radar instrument operates at the K-band frequency of the microwave spectrum, allowing its scans to penetrate cloud cover and darkness and map observation into dimension. Previous studies of water bodies relied on data taken at a specific point or from satellite that could only take measurements along a one-dimensional line. This satellite is expected to begin producing research data within months.